Hindi, ano yan eh.
Ayan o, relax.
Tiba yan.
Relax lang.
Eh matibay, yung pinag-screwhan. Baka yung i-dry mo na eh.
Gumawa ka ba? Nag-upload ka?
Ano ka mo, boss?
Ha? Kite mo na!
Matibay.
Hindi, oo.
Matibay. Pero walang pinto eh.
Meron, yan.
Meron,
Ipupus
yan,
mo yan.
Pupus mo yan?
Oo. Push mo yan.
Ay, makasira pa tayo dito. Basta.
Matibay.
Ikaw naman nakapangalan.
Diba yan? See? Boo! Ano meron sa loob?
Kwarto yan, kwarto.
Hindi, ano lang, storage.
Storage.
Wala, binuksan mo. Paano mo sasarado yun?
Akit ka ngayon.
Dapat nilagyan na lang ng door pull.
Tali o...
Nako. Tignan nga natin kung makakakyat.
Sana hindi nakapag-hiking eh. Yan.
May ano,
May ano?
parang meditation room.
May ano?
Meditation room.
Masturbation room.
Masturbation?
Kaya mag-masturbate
May
ka.
mga ano, may mga brick saka salamin.
May mga Playboy magazine pa.
Oo. Masturbation.
Yan ang kwarto ni Alfred.
Dapat nilagyan. Isa MBR. Ano MBR? Masturbation.
Wala, sige. Yan, di mo sasara na yun.
Hindi na masarap.
Live ka, boss. Live.
Masturbation room ba?
Tapos to, nadalhin mo mo na.
Pakaganyan ka lang kaya masturbate. May hirapan ka dyan.
Kala ko ba tatanong mo si Leia?
Ha?
Tatanong mo si Leia.
Oo, dapat.
Yung
Hindi si ano.
pagmalambot at saka matay ka.
May nakita ako
Sa pangit, ba't daan lang ano?
My ear is wet. It's squelching. Wait, you're in the way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Pia. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yay!
Okay, boom! Boom!
Oh, that's it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Look at Dominique. Look at her. Oh, there's more.
paano hindi iiyak? Paano nakaupo daw sa parang malalaglag?
Yo, you're gonna let him do that to you, bro?
Yes, you can.
Go, DJ. We'll lift you up. We'll lift you up. If I went up, my shorts would have fell down. Finish them off. Whoa! Team
Ready,
Young
1,
Blood.
2,
Team Young Blood.
what's the plan, guys? What's the plan? What's the plan?
Illegal, sir. Illegal, sir.
Over the net.
Is that baby?
Oh yeah, Alex,
Over
that's
the net.
Should I take cover first? Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, do it.
Heavy, bro.
Alright.
Cut. Yo! Yeah, right here. Hold on. I don't want to hurt myself, you know? Oh, god damn it. Yeah,
Nice.
Boy. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
And then you just rip it, you know? I like
No, you don't have to rip it. You have to do it again. Use your momentum when you swing the thing.
Oh, there's a knot. Nice, see? It worked.
Alright,
It's ugly, but it works, you know?
alright. Another one.
Brother, I'm tired.
Already?
What do you mean? I've been out and about all day. Tired shit.
Wow.
Yo, this thing sucks, man. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. I gotta stand for... Hold on. Time out. I gotta check where I gotta stand. Okay. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm done. Go over there.
Alright.
Should I make it more interesting?
Let's see that swing of yours. Oh shit! Wow! Nice.
Yo. What is that happen?
Patay. Sala.
sigaw, ang itim eh oh. Yun ang pinaka-kakao.
Mamaya lang konti, pagbalik mo dyan yung isa. Oh.
Ay. Yun. Ay oh. Pagka
Wow.
hindi ka nagpihi niyan, ewan ko lamang. Tutoy. Maglaro ka ng apoy. Init oh. Parang sarap ng ano eh. Ng init. Oo. Pala pinala ko dito lahat yung styrofoam. Nasa pala. Okay.
Labas mo si Adi din eh. Pakita mo yung apoy.
Mainit yan, mainit. Sarap ng tulog ko eh. Dami kong unan.
Home time everybody.
Full tank ka pa ba o kailangan pa gasolina?
Full tank.
Saan ka pupunta?
Dito lang, malapit lang.
Saan doon?
Sa may North Bay.
Baka may nadaanan.
sumunod, no? Lumabas ulit ako, wala na kayo eh.
Ayun din ako eh. Nung paglabas ko, sabi ko may kukunin lang ako
Sabi ko, kakain lang kami ng goto eh.